Read and say.
Hi, I'm Ria. What's your name? I'm Shanta. I'm in class 4. Are you in class 4? Yes, I am.
Do activity A from your textbook. Write the sentences in your exercise book. Add capital letters and question marks. Do you live in Rajshahi? Where do you play? Is Mitu your friend?
How old are you?
Can you use a computer? Where are you from? Correct the sentences. Have you done your homework? Today, we will go for playing football. Do you like your English class? Yes, I love English class. Is Rina also going with us?